I'm gonna get a picture of John Day Dam, and there's all different ones, but you have to get one that's the John Day Dam. Like, this is the John Day Dam, and this John Day Dam too. There's different dams for the fish to get through, and I'm going to get a picture. How do you spell it again?
Okay, go ahead.
So, click. And then you...
How do you spell John David Dam?
You put copy, and you go... Click X, and you go to... And then edit continent.
Wait. Oop.
What?
It's alright.
So, down here.
You might have to change your name now. Yeah.
Okay, MJ. You did that first. Yeah.
And we'll need to capitalize John Day. It's a name.
John Day Dam. And, okay. There's a picture of the dam.
Whoa.
Yep.
So what have you made so far?
I've gotten... There's also another dam up here.
Oh, that girl just ate it.
This is the Dallas Dam. Dallas Dam. And there's a life cycle up here.
I think I like that other one. That one's John Day Dam.
The life cycle.
Oh, and then you completed it. I know, right there. You let's go up there.
So you have to keep on following the river. And here's the smoke.
Oh,
Here's
cool.
the smoke.
Now click up
Can you change the base map so we can see it in a different form?
Okay, wait.
Home. Do you have the tools on?
Where? On tools?
Yeah. No, under home.
Home.
And then
Yeah.
right here. Okay.
Base maps. Once you get that one.
Oh, cool.
So, and you keep on going along. This is the ocean.
Yeah, you're in the ocean. Zoom out just a little bit. I think.
Yeah, we got this all by ourselves. We got it.
I don't think it saved it.
You were kind of out here, weren't you?
Yeah, I was like right here.
Oh,
Okay, let's X out.
you forgot to save.
Mr. Relo, we did this all by ourselves.